Hello, my name is Ashok Mathur, and I am the Dean of Graduate Studies as well as the Vice President of Research at the Ontario College of Art and Design University here in Toronto. OCADU is one of 4 art and design schools in Canada. It's the largest, and indeed it's the 3rd largest art and design standalone university in North America. That said, the PhD in creative practice, which is quite ubiquitous now in the EU, the UK, Oceania, and Asia, is still a new thing here in Canada, partly because back in probably the 1980s or so, the American Academy enforced something called the Masters of Fine Arts, which they called a terminal degree. And that is something that's held sway for the last 50 years or so. So students cannot pursue a PhD in creative practice in Canada and the US for the most part. What they do is they create and pursue an MFA. Recently, we've been developing some practices to align ourselves with the EU and the UK and Oceania and Asia, and we want to continue to do so. So this workshop is really an opportunity for us to determine how best to create a PhD program that works across international lines. Our program itself will begin in 2027, and currently I'm holding a Destinations Horizon grant, which allows me to travel to Europe and see what folks there are doing and to present at conferences like this. The workshop will allow us to see how people are performing in their PhD programs and what we can do and how we can collaborate across frames.